Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Diecast. And in this video, I'm sticking to the Initial D. So this is again Initial D Legend 1 by Autoart. And this one is the Mazda FD3S, also known as chassis code FD3S. So this is from the animation film. So technically, they have the anime, they have the manga, and they also released a movie about it. So this is the movie about it. So this is the 1/18 scale of the RX-7, driven by this dude, Keisuke Takahashi. So let's get on it. So I'll just show you the box first, all around. That's the yellow RX-7. Super cool wheels. I love this model. This is a great model. It actually took me a while to get this model. I was actually gonna buy it from a what do you call this? I was gonna buy it from this store, but unfortunately they decided to change their mind on the price, and unfortunately we couldn't agree to a price, and I happened to get one for the price that I want in the unexpected place, which is Europe, aka Germany. So there you go. And this is licensed by Kodansha, which is also the place where the manga started, like the production company. All right, let's get this box open. Styrofoam box. This one has some guide to it. So it looks like there's protection stripes to detach the hood and the trunk, and also the whatchamacallit, the lost for words here, the doors. And as you can see, there is a cool feature of pop-up headlights here, and I can't wait to show you guys that. Alright, let's open the model. Opens up in one way here. And before I show you the rest of the model, I just want to show you quickly that it is being held by 4 screws underneath. And I can't wait to show you guys what it's gonna look like. Actually, you know what? Someone actually took those screws away now, because it looks like I can open it, so that's cool. Alright, let's get on this. Alrighty, now I got it out of the box, and I gotta say the color is beautiful. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, this is a sunburst yellow, or is it a sonic yellow? Either way, if you look closely, it's got this metallic sheen to it, like there's a fine, very fine metallic flake in that paint. And I guess this is why I understand so many people love this model, and it's a very expensive, coveted model. One word of caution when taking this model out of the box: a lot of people tend to just let me show you here. Right underneath this section, if you see this, that's usually where you put your finger there on this side. But the problem is these side mirrors are in the way. So don't rely on those grooves here, because you're gonna hold it very scary close to the side mirrors. And I've seen these side mirrors just pop off, and they're not really the funnest piece to put back. Look how tiny you're trying to connect that thing. It's not fun. So my recommendation is holding it from the back side here, and sort of holding it right here to kind of help it, but never go on that groove, because if your hands slip from the weight of it when you're having it upside down, these might pop off, and not a fun time. Anyways, so massive wing on this one. Red Sun's logo. Love it. some few pieces that are separate. We have the antenna here. I believe this is a retractable antenna. And then we also have some rear side markers here. We have a bunch of decals in the door panel. Again, separate piece. Be careful with this part. And then we also have a side marker right here by the front fender. And we also have a vent right here. Going by the front bumper here, we do have another side marker. And a bunch more lights over here. And we have pop-up headlights, which I can't wait to show you. And it works amazing. Separate pieces for this, the windshield wipers and special license plate just for Keisuke Takahashi, and as always it comes with the car. I believe there's fog lights underneath here and this massive vent. We also have this extra lip with extra vents down there. Going to the other side, pretty much the same as the other side, but your gas cap is on this side. And then massive wing, again separate piece for the rear windshield wiper, and we also have some element. Let me see if I can closely show you. So there's these orange lines here for the heater element for the rear hatch. Oh, forgot to mention, there is a nice separate piece here of, or is it a decal? I think it's a decal. This logo here of the RX-7. Same with the rear. Very beautiful, and it looks a little bit raised. It looks textured, and you can see the RX-7 logo or script there. You have some really detailed lights. A little bit darkened, I think, or is it just that dark? It looks really dark. Again, rear license plate, and we get this nice exhaust. Let's see what it looks like. Very nice. Okay, let's go wheel detail. So you have this nice wheel, and you have this polished lip. You can see how shiny it is in the outer lip. We also have a red caliper inside with drilled rotors. Super cool. Got some tread on it. And the rear is pretty much the same. Also a red caliper, because red calipers make everything go fast, right? We do have the drilled rotors at the back as well, as you can see a shining light there. Looks good. I think these are like bulk wheels, like GTCs or something like that. I'm not 100% sure, but they look good. Underside of the model, front wheels do steer. We have a very detailed underside. So as you can see, you can even see details at the back here in the green. That's like the axle part. And then you can see that shiny gloss right there for the diff. Or is that the, no, that's like the oil pan, I believe. And that's the rear diff. Sorry, rear diff. You got this nice exhaust. Lots of details on the exhaust. Definitely spent some time building this car to perfection. And before I forget, best part here is this little piece of fun levers. So it's gonna be, this is the controls for the pop-up headlights. So you just go like that and like that. So you just go back and forth. And I can show you here really quick. Get it out of the way. It's a bit lazy, I think. There. Alright, so now we'll do the interior detail. Let's try to open this up nice and easy. It just opens so nice. I love it. Okay, driver's side. Let's look at the door card. Very detailed. You can see the buttons are clearly marked there. You have a vent, speaker, and in the interior here, we do see the seat. It's not as plasticky. It almost looks rubbery to the look of it. Try to zoom in there for you. Yeah, it's very rubbery looking. It's definitely better than the plastic looking version. So got some nice harnesses there. Still got the existing seat belt, like the original seat belt. And then we have a bunch of buttons in the middle there. Gauge cluster. Silver pedals for clutch and brake. And then a rubber one for the gas. Let's see here. Got a nice two-tone like gray and black. So get a nice detail on the dash. It's just a gray there. It's probably like to help glare or something. Alright, let's check this hood out. It's a bit tight, and I can see that the lines aren't perfect. Like there's a part right here. That's okay. Maybe I can open it from here. Always scared to like use this sometimes. Oh, stays up top. That's good. And this goes right up. It's a bit lazy, unfortunately. There you go. Lots of engine detail. You can see different degels installed by the fuse box. We got some painted parts for the caps. Looks like there's another decal right there, RX-7. Oh, is that like a little VIN? Oh, that's cool. It's like a VIN plate right there. Very cool, very cool. Yeah, we see a few things. Unfortunately, this hood latch is kind of scraping a bit, like right there. I mean, it's in the inside, but still though, it's kind of annoying. There's another plate right there. That's so cool. This is probably the VIN plate, and this is probably like maybe engine specification. And then underneath, there's a two-tone of like the black and the yellow. Very cool model. Alright, let's go on the driver's side. See what we got. It just opens so easily, like it's so nice. We do have a plate, a metal plate for the passenger side. You can see a little bit more on the center console as well. We got some dials. Basically, this is the same as the driver's side, but instead of having a bunch of buttons, you have this handle right here. Just to remind you what it looks like. No handle. The seat is basically the same, and we also get that OEM seat belt right there. Alright, let's go to the back part here. I can open it up. It's a bit hard to open this guy up. I'm just gonna use my hand, pardon me. It's a bit hard to open it. There is some resistance to it. I think that's as far as it opens. So we do have a bunch of struts on both sides that keep it open. And we got this cool like little string right there or something, cable, that holds the compartment up. That's cool. And carpeted rear trunk. Nothing in there, no tidbits of whatever. Looks good. Looks really good. Oh, and at the back, we do see where the harnesses are attached to. Maybe if I drop this, you might be able to see better. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.